welcome back to my channel. I'm Alex, and today I have another Louis Vuitton video unboxing. So this box just arrived and I didn't open it yet. I just cut off this part over here, so it's gonna be like easier to open it up. And this item is one of the items that I really wanted for a long time, but you don't really get them online anymore. As you can see by the name of this video, is mini pochette. Yes, it's a mini pochette accessoire. I'm not sure how it's pronounced right. So, and I was like, I wanted this item for a bit. I wanted monogram, damier zur, damier being any of this like classic like full-size pochette accessoire that you can never find anywhere except for like super like triple prices on some websites who resells them, or like mini pochette you also cannot find. They still had them like shown on a website, but they're never available and none of the store associates can even locate them. So but they sometimes like release new kind of like an amp level stuff. So I wanted so much the pink one that was like, I'm gonna show a picture right now, and I wanted so much this piece, but then it came out. So but I got my multi pochette in blue by the Pool collection, and I got some other items in by the Pool collection, and I thought like, okay, let me get this one in a couple of weeks at least, because it's like too much to buy right away, so expensive stuff. And it just disappeared. So now it costs like almost $1,000, or like more than $1,000. It's actually on a fashion file, or like on a rebag it costs like $1,500. Like I even saw it for $1,700. It's like insane, considering that it's just $600 dollars like item. So, and now then they, in July I guess, just like a couple of weeks ago, they released another one, amp leather, like black. That was pink, and this one is like a black, and the letters LV is like a kind of creamy beigey, and I loved it so much, and I felt like, okay, I want this now, at least like if it's still available, because I checked fashion file again and rebag, and they also sell these items already for like $1,500, and it's crazy expensive. Like it costs $690 new on Louis Vuitton, but they sell it like pre-loved or like used, or I don't know, scratch hardware or something, like minor issues, but they like $1,500. It's crazy. So, and I looked for like couple, I don't know, days probably, and one night it appears to be like available. So I jumped in and ordered this beautiful piece, and I'm so happy that I actually did this, because I really wanted one. I never had any why I always say multi pochette. I never had any mini pochette or just regular pochette. Then I started to collect my items for about like 8 months ago. It's just like really new collection for me. And then I started to collect all my luxury designer stuff. These pieces was like already almost unavailable because they're already super popular. I was lucky to get like toiletry pouch 26 back then, like then I started my collection, but now it's also like unavailable because it just discontinued. So I'm super happy that I was able to get this one. And actually I ordered it like last weekend, and it arrived this Friday, so it took almost a week to arrive here. And I also mentioned that it arrived from Canada. I actually was surprised, because I thought like whatever I order anything from Louis Vuitton, it always come like through like around the US from different parts. Usually it's from Miami for some reason, comes here to New York, but this time it came from Ontario, Canada, and I was super like, wow. They even like they couldn't find it like in here, and they sent it from Canada. I don't know why, but I'm super happy that I actually were able to get this piece. So let's open this up. So you have this envelope, is usually like if you want to gift it or something, and let's just go in there and see. So this is a box, the usual size of box, and this ribbon. Like I think everyone knows already all this stuff, so it's all usual thing. And this is it. This is my beautiful addition to my collection that I'm so happy to introduce finally, to get one in my collection. So this is the tag, this kind of like lever it is over here, I guess English. Yes, so Vuitton exterior is Vuitton leather and interior is synthetic textile, whatever it means. Because I know it's amp leather and inside is kind of like suede, but I'm not sure exactly. So, and it's called like this: mini pochette accessoire amp no beige number. I don't know, amp no beige. So, and number is okay. What it is? I think it's B. So it's MB0732. I need to make my nails down. Sorry about this. Okay, so and here you have this usual thing, envelope with I guess return labels and like thank you blah 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 for your purchase stuff over here. Yes, thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton and stuff. Okay, and this is the piece. Actually, it arrived in a bigger box, as you can see over here, because all videos that I like looked before I buy this one, since it's little piece, it came from like a drawer kind of boxes, and this one is bigger box. It's kind of from Kirigami set. It's like medium sized box with most of my cosmetic pouches and everything arrives, so bigger box it is. And here is this little piece over here. Let's open it up and see. Okay, look at this beautiful piece. This is actually gonna be my first leather piece from Louis Vuitton in my collection, because all of my items is canvas. For some reason I prefer canvas. I even bought recently cosmetic pouch in scarlet red amp leather as well, but I ended up selling it because I didn't really use it and it just was laying on my shelf like for a while. So I decided to sell it until it's new condition and stuff. So, and then I saw this one, I was like super excited to get one. Okay, so let me try to see, show first of all how it's inside. And as you can see, it has like this little strap kind of thing over here, and it says over here Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And also this piece, as probably everyone knows already, has no date code because it's a cheap one. I already tried my like app on my phone to find out where is it cheap, and it's somewhere here, like somewhere in this area. Then you put your phone, it detects the cheap. It unfortunately, all those apps, they can read the cheap, they just show like you a lot of numbers that means nothing to you, and only Louis Vuitton, as like people in Louis Vuitton can read this and show like exactly your date code and stuff. And as for me, all I can do is just to detect that it is cheap inside. So, and so as I said, it's made in France, and I like this chain. And the way I'm going to use it, I'm going to use it as a mini bag. I'm not going to use it as any other kind of like, it's too big for me to be wallet, because I don't really use much of big bags. This one is never gonna fit in any like my everyday bags. Maybe when I travel I'm gonna use it that way, but as for now, all I want to use this as a mini, like I don't know, midi crossbody, because I have a bigger chain and I'm just going to use like bigger chain here, and this little chain is gonna just hang like this. So it's gonna be really cute. And let me just show what I'm going to like to try to put inside and see if it really fits. So this is basically all things that I need with me like on my everyday outings. So I'm not sure for like 100% that I'm gonna use this one. Probably I'm just gonna use a like a card holder. So but this one is piece that I have to use because I have all my keys and everything over here, so it goes like smoothly inside. And this is like suede like material, or it is suede, I don't know, but it's really nice on feel. So this goes smoothly in there, and I'm sure sanitizer is not going there, but my lipstick, my Gucci lipstick, a lip balm really goes nicely here, as you can see. And for example, this one right now, it has like I don't know, about like bunch of cash, and about 2 cards and my ID. And let's try to put this one here as well. But as I said, I'm not gonna use, like, it's too much for this little bag to have like a lot of zip hours, like close much stuff. So I'm gonna just do it this simple way and just put like in a card holder. And this one, I'm not sure if, I don't think it's gonna fit. Don't think my sanitizer is gonna fit here, but actually let's just try this. Okay, as you can see, it fits. So over here I have my key pouch, my key holder. I have my key pouch as like my wallet kinda, and I have my lip balm, and I have my sanitizer. So everything here, as you can see, and it's really nicely, and I can say it's really like have any bumps in there or something. It looks really nicely like this. And I might use it like this, but I don't really like this like a shoulder little bags. I'm more like a crossbody person, so I'm sure I'm not gonna use this chain on my shoulder. I'm gonna just use my bigger chains that I have for like all my other items, and I'm gonna just do it kinda. So since it's gonna be hang like this, it's gonna be like there it's gonna be like this, and you have like little chain and you have the bigger chain, and it should look so nice. And so yeah, I guess it fits all what I need to be here. Like all the stuff I need is here. My phone is not gonna fit there, like for sure. I already tried. It's about like this longer than this pouch, but I never really use my phone in my bags. It always like on me, in my hand, or in my pocket somewhere like around me. So in this case, this little bag should just work great for me, and I'm super happy. I'm super, I say, happy that I actually finally have this mini Pochette in my collection that I wanted for so long, and I can't wait to see like a Christmas animation collection. So it's a lot of YouTubers say that it's coming in the end of September, I believe. So, and I saw the pictures, they're so cute, and I can't wait just to get one of them, because I don't have anything from animation collection, because as I said, I started my collection around I'm around like January, so it's like already past this animation collection already went. Then I started, because I started my collection, I saw a lot of animation stuff on the Louis Vuitton website, but they were like all sold out. You can't find anything available, obviously. So, and this year is like gonna be first time that I finally gonna be able to probably get something from this, and I can wait for animation pieces in my collection. And I'm so happy that I have finally this little little mini Pochette in my collection as well. Okay, and this is the first amp lever piece as well that I'm gonna use, and so far I like it so much, not less than monogram ones, because I'm obsessed with monograms stuff. Okay, so I guess this is it for this little beautiful unboxing video. As I said, it's $690 US, and this piece, I hope it's gonna worth the money. The way I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna use it as a bag, I said, and it's, in this case, I guess it's gonna worth the money to have like a mini bag from Louis Vuitton for $690. It's really good price, and I can't wait to use it and make like another videos about how really useful this piece, and is it even work like the way I wanted to use, like in a crossbody way. So it's gonna be more videos coming, and thank you so much for unboxing and watching this video with me, and I'll see you soon with more videos. Please consider to subscribe to my channel if you like it, and to see more videos upcoming days. Thank you. Bye.